Hi and welcome to the channel. A little part 2 or another video about my new Heuer vises. Some of you have maybe seen the open box and how I mounted the 160mm Heuer front with exchangeable jaws, and I talked a little bit about the 100mm with fixed jaws. And now I want to talk about the compact vise they also make. It's another design, as you can see, and it's of course not so strong in the clamping force and in the build in general. It's of course also made in steel, and it's it's labeled Heuer front Brockhaus, and they don't put their name on it unless it's a quality product. So for what it is and the size, it has some very nice features. And for most home shops, this will be more than sufficient. One of the benefits from this vise I will show you now. The main feature or the great benefit of this type of vise over the regular is this button here, which will unlock the nut from the spindle. So with one press you can open the jaws and you can close them, and then you can simply just let it return, and then it's engaged and it will work like a regular vise. So that's a super nice feature, and it's actually quite handy working with this if you are changing between sizes of parts. And as you can see, this vise also has the exchangeable jaws. So you can put some others in. You can actually machine something or someone yourself. These ones are made in aluminium, so they are softer. But you can make some yourself, or you can buy others if you wear them out. Also a very nice feature, and as with the larger 160mm I have, they are bolted or mounted with the bolt head from the outside. That means when you clamp something in the jaws, the head won't be damaged, so you can always loosen them and get the bolts or screws out of the holes. Here you can see it mounted in the ball mount or attachment. It's mounted on this plate that goes down here, and there's a ball, and you lock it into place with this handle. And this allows the vise to be rotated and tilted in any orientation, and this will come in very handy if you're doing welding jobs, soldering or something like that, where you need to maybe have your arms rested in a certain position and the part or object welded or soldered, or what you may have to do in a strange orientation. Or if the parts have some sort of layout or design that you can't get it mounted elsewhere, you can turn it, and then maybe because of its size or length, you can have it put in the vise. Also a nice feature that I know will come in handy. I have missed this on my old vise, and again you can see here the quick exit, and you can also see here in the vise jaws there are forged some jaws for holding round stock or pipes, so it will be easier to hold it with a great force. But as mentioned, also a vise made in great quality and with a very nice paint finish. Here you have a little scale that shows the jaw opening, so you don't have to measure it if you have your if you know what dimension your part has, then you can easily open it to the desired length. So, and the vise itself mounted, or the ball attachment is mounted like so, where you have a rubber piece here and a threaded rod with a foot. You can clamp it on any workbenches or any part that you may have in your shop. So this makes it even more versatile and useful for mounting in any places you have. As you can see here, the mounting options are endless. It's only the imagination that limits how you can mount it. And of course you can mount it or remove it from the base, and then you can mount it like a regular vise. So yeah, a lot of options. But again, a very nice little vise with enough clamping force and build quality for use in all shops, and especially in a hobby shop. For most people this will be more than enough. But of course, again, depending on what you're doing, you maybe need to step up to the next size, or maybe the regular Heuer front design. But this one is super compact, as the name says. The jaws are very slim, and you can see here I have small hands. It's it's a very small vise. I think the clamping force is 1000 Newton meters. I need to check on the website. I can't remember the clamping force at the moment, but yeah, it's more than enough for most work, I would say. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will like the product as much as I do. And I can only recommend you to buy this. It's a very nice addition to any shop. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye. A little bonus info. If you have not already seen it, you should go on YouTube and search for Brockhaus Heuer or Bauform 24, Bauform 24. They have made a factory tour of the Heuer front of Brockhaus Heuer factory, where they show and tell a lot of the production. So it's super nice to see behind what's going on behind the production and the people behind it. So take a look at it. It's a great channel, and they make a lot of other content that's worth watching. So yes, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.